LabVIEW stands for Laboratory Virtual Instrumentation Energy Workbench, which is a graphical programming tool used for measurement and control system application. This comprehensive software integrates server energy tools to building control system in dynamically less time for a wide range of applications. LabVIEW beside the project allows to acquire, analyze, control and test various control application range from small to large systems.
Use our background. First one is vibration theory. Vibration system is the meaning of storing potential energy, kinetic energy, and energy is gradually lost like damper. The vibration system involves the alternating transfer of energy between potential and kinetic energy. In damping system, some of the energy are dissipated at each circle PF vibration and must be replaced from an external source if a steady vibration ID equals S to be maintained. Whereas single physical structure may store in both in potential and kinetic energy, it may dissipate energy. Next one is acoustic measurement. A measurement with the acoustic measurement localize the sound emissions precisely and conducts information about the noise and its composition. Depending on the application, appropriate equation for the measurement and the ideal algorithm for analysis are closed. Last one is DesiLab data acquisition software. DesiLab data acquisition, we also call it DAQ, software provides tools and functions to quickly and easily develop complex applications without programming. The software offers real-time analysis, control, and graphics tools for creating custom graphical user interface.
Hello, my name is Tan Suyong. So from this experiment, we managed to get the acceleration of the vibration of a fan. So the acceleration of the vibration of fan consists of two components, which is horizontal and vertical. So from the result, we found that the horizontal component has a higher acceleration than the vertical component. So the horizontal component has an amplitude of 0.13, while the vertical component has an amplitude of 0.07. So we could get a velocity time graph by integrate the acceleration time graph. So from the result, we also find that the horizontal component has a higher amplitude than the vertical component. So the horizontal component has a root mean square velocity of 0.045, while the vertical component has a root mean square velocity of 0.023. These two graph, which acceleration time graph and velocity time graph, is time domain graph. So we could get a frequency domain graph by performing FFT. So after performing FFT, we found that the horizontal component has 4 peaks. So one of the highest peak is at 225 Hz, which has a 0.12 amplitude. So after that, we also perform FFT on vertical component. So the vertical component has 5 peaks, and the highest peak is at 220 Hz with amplitude of 0.02. So that's all we get from this experiment.
My name is Chong Hai Kwan. I'm A17134. So for the conclusion, vibration analysis of industrial machining have around 90 years. So we're using this vibration analysis to determine the health of the machine and their components. So in this project, we know that we're using cooling pad as the machine. So when we test, we know that machine is insufficient the power supply.